2.6.0L four-wheel drive utility with 76k original miles. As any faithful work truck, this one-owner four-wheel drive shows some rock chips and minor dings, however it's structurally and mechanically sound. Equipped with AC, tilt steering wheel, and a tow package with trailer brake wired through the dash for your convenience. Rides on white rubber with little wear. Stall utility box is big enough for all of your stuff, and even has a spray-on liner in the bed and over the rear bumper. This is an excellent opportunity to get the best value for your money. Come see it today. Refer to our website for a full list of over 120 trucks. You won't beat our quality, you won't beat our price. Why buy new? Come see for yourself.